The Amazon rainforest is Earth's biggest, most diverse place. Millions of trees fight for sunlight and important nutrients. Trees dying is natural. It always happens in this dense forest. We thought competition just killed off weaker, struggling trees. New research shows a surprising, darker side to this fight. Strong, healthy trees are now dying at fast, worrying rates. Too much competition for resources stresses even the strongest trees. Tree death rates in the Amazon are up by 30% since 1980. This surprise effect hurts the whole system of the Brazilian Amazon. It affects carbon storage and the forest's future stability. Knowing this helps protect Earth's vital green lung.